Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about Tesla and their TSLA stock. First, we'll talk about how Tesla is expanding into Mexico, so we'll be analyzing a Reuters report telling us that Tesla is building one of their gigafactories over in Mexico for a deal that could be worth up to $10 billion. And hopefully, this one facility could produce up to 1 million cars. After that, we'll dissect Tesla's Investor Day, which will be on March 1st, where Tesla will unveil their Master Plan 3 that Elon has been talking up and hyping up for quite a while now, which hopefully will impact the overall share price very positively. After that, we'll discuss what analysts and professionals think about what could be in store for investors regarding Tesla's Investor Day and how this could positively impact their overall share price. And then lastly, we'll analyze an article where Elon Musk is recruiting experts to develop an OpenAI competitor for ChatGPT. So for more videos on Tesla, remember to go and annihilate that like button right now, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, and without further ado, let's jump right into today's stories. If you're not already familiar, Tesla is an electric vehicle manufacturer, but they're also much more than that because they also specialize in energy generation as well as energy storage. And our first news article says that Tesla is building a new assembly plant in northern Mexico, where the president of Mexico recently announced that they are in an official way saying that this deal could be worth over $5 billion. However, Tesla nor the president of Mexico revealed what models will be produced in this particular facility. However, considering that this is most likely going to be a Tesla gigafactory, it could produce anything from semi-trucks, Roadster sports cars, and other vehicles, including but not limited to their Model Y. Another official actually said that the plant could be to produce a kind of sport utility vehicle such as the Model Y or even the Tesla semi-trucks, but we're going to have to wait and see. Tesla is also going to produce and plans to produce over 1 million vehicles a year for domestic and international markets just from this one factory, according to reports. Another source said that this would bring in a load of jobs for Mexico, as well as the potential for the facility to undergo future phases, which could bring in a total of around $10 billion. However, Tesla as a company or any of their spokespeople did not comment when requested. Now, we're going to move on to talk about their Investor Day, which is on Wednesday, March 1st, and what my overall thoughts are for this particular event. And if you're watching this after the event, don't worry, because we're going to see how accurate this report actually was, pertaining to not only my opinion, but also these news articles that we are analyzing. There is so much hype for Tesla's Investor Day, to where investors are anticipating where Elon Musk and company are going to provide updates on everything, including global plans, further expansion, new technology, new products, and new vehicles. But more than anything, investors are wanting to know how this could impact the overall share price and what Elon Musk means when he refers to his Master Plan 3. So to dive into this, let's talk about a Wedbush analyst named Daniel Ives, or Dan Ives, which is one of my favorite analysts that I personally study, and I really enjoy his overall thoughts on Tesla as well as the overall electric vehicle space, considering that he is a 5-star analyst who is specialized in this particular market. He says, and I quote, "Further insight into the broader strategic roadmap looking ahead and lays the foundation for the next decade for Tesla, with the green tidal wave hitting globally on the shift to electric vehicles," end quote. Essentially, he's saying that Tesla is very well positioned to ride this giant wave of money that is going to crash into the electric vehicle space, which then will carry over into investors' pockets. Regarding Tesla's upcoming event, we're also going to receive updates for the Cybertruck, their semi-trucks, as well as their new 4680 battery technology. On top of that, and this is what I'm most excited for, is that Tesla could potentially unveil their ability to achieve a cost for their vehicles that costs between $25,000 to $30,000, which is substantially cheaper than the vehicles that they currently sell to the overall public. The 5-star analyst goes on to say, "A key focus will be the next generation 3 platform for a cheaper Tesla vehicle for the masses, and the strategy/unit economics to get this holy grail." He goes on to say, with EV tax credits abound and competition coming from all angles, lower price points are a major focus for the street looking ahead with the Tesla story, end quote. Essentially, he's saying that this could be a huge blow to Tesla's competition, and this could accelerate their overall competitive advantage in the electric vehicle market if Tesla can give cheaper vehicles in the range of $25,000 to $30,000 to the public at large. Daniel Ives is very bullish on Tesla, citing that the company is infiltrating the global market very successfully over in China, Mexico, Canada, Indonesia, and other places. We're also anticipated to receive updates regarding robo-taxis and Tesla's long-term manufacturing capacity, which could reach up to 20 million cars by 2030. Daniel Ives has an Outperform rating for this stock, which is a buy rating, and he also gives us a price target of $225. Tesla's current TSLA share price is $207.07, so upside potential of around 8.74% according to Daniel Ives could be quite bullish. And I think that this is only a 12-month stock price target, but overall this company is primed for future growth, and I think it could definitely exceed that $225 price target by Daniel Ives. Overall, if we survey the entire analyst community, regarding the analysts that have actually released price predictions about the TSLA stock, we see that 22 analysts say to buy the company, 6 professionals say to hold, and 3 experts say to sell. But in general, we have a moderate buy rating for this company, and many analysts believe that the current share price means that the company is fairly valued as of right now, but I personally would reject that, considering that Tesla is a very innovative growth company, and I think Tesla's overall share price has the potential to reach over $250 by the end of 2023. I have other quotes here from other analysts, such as a Wells Fargo analyst who says, and I quote, "While recent global price cuts have driven demand, TSLA likely needs Generation 3 to maintain its 50% delivery compounding annual growth rate. Gen 3 is expected to be a $30,000 electric vehicle that is as profitable as an internal combustion engine model, likely drives more near-term momentum. Therefore, credible profit/cost targets and launching timing are key," end quote. And that quote honestly just speaks exactly for itself, and I'm very excited for their cheaper electric vehicles. Elon Musk has been talking about his Master Plan 3, to where he is going to usher in cheaper electric vehicles for the masses, to where he even said on Twitter, and I quote, "Master Plan 3, the path to a fully sustainable energy future for Earth will be presented on March 1st. The future is bright." And then he uploaded a picture of Investor Day, Giga Texas, March 1st. We'll talk about how you can access this via live stream and where it's going to be held later in this video. As of right now, Elon Musk is very excited about this upcoming event, and he also believes that no other company can catch them in terms of Tesla's manufacturing capacity and overall capability technologically, which are 2 of Tesla's greatest competitive advantage as well as brand awareness. So with this in mind, we also have a New Street research analyst that says that Tesla has been supply constrained in energy storage for as long as we can remember. And the ramp of the new Megapack fab in Lathrop, which quadruples the company's production capacity, we can expect an inflection point in 2023 to 2024. Essentially, this analyst is highlighting that we are at an inflection point, and between the years of 2023 to 2024, we can see Tesla and of course their TSLA share price absolutely surge upwards, which I am very excited about. Lastly, we have one more quote from an analyst, which comes from the Deutsche Bank, who says, "To support its volume and cost targets, we think Tesla will speak about the role of in-house battery manufacturing technology, capacity expansion, and actions to secure raw materials." And this analyst in particular has raised his price target up to $250 from his original price target of just $220. So me and this Deutsche Bank analyst would see eye to eye, because I also have a $250 price target for Tesla's TSLA shares. Lastly, we're going to tell you how you could access this overall very bullish development. And you can do this by either going to Tesla's website, and it's going to be live streamed over on YouTube. So please tune into that. Finally, In our last story of the day, we're going to discuss how Elon Musk has reportedly started to recruit experts to develop an AI competitor to their ChatGPT. Essentially, Elon Musk believes that artificial intelligence and AI is the future, and he already uses AI in his overall electric vehicles as well as for SpaceX. On top of that, Elon Musk also works hand in hand with Neuralink, which is a company who is working on connecting the human brain to an electronic computer. So imagine having a computer for a brain and how effective and efficient you could be at literally any work. Also, learning things would be a lot quicker because you could just download various software or techniques straight into your brain. Now, where does AI come into this? Well, regarding supercomputers and AI programming, Tesla also is using artificial intelligence to better society as a whole, and as of late, Elon Musk has been recruiting artificial intelligence experts to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT. So I'm really interested to see how this story is going to end, and I would also love to hear your thoughts down below. Don't forget to go and annihilate that like button right now, subscribe if you are new, tell me where you think the TSLA share price is headed, and what you anticipate will be announced on Tesla's Investor Day, and I will see you in the next YT video.